Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to remove the white noise or static noise that's on your USB mic or your headset. It's a pretty easy fix. There's probably a lot of videos for it too, but I couldn't find them anywhere. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to guys to do it. Okay, so you go to options, you go to audio, and then where it says voice chat, you go scroll down a little bit, and where it says open mic recording threshold or whatever, uh, you boost it up to 4, 5, or 6. It depends on your mic. If you boost it a little bit way too much up, it then you won't be able to hear yourself. So make sure you have it around 4, 5, or 6. Okay. So the way you're gonna know if that worked, you're gonna have to go back, and then you're gonna see when you stop talking, that fucking icon right there is gonna stop showing up. Look, I'm gonna stop talking right now, and that's it. The little icon disappear, right? So um the if it didn't disappear, if that static noise was there, all right? So if the static noise was there, this thing wouldn't stop being like this the way it is. So that's how you know it worked. And a random guy just told me that, like, I was playing multiplayer, and he taught me how to fix it. So he was really cool and whatever. I didn't know about this. Like I said, I couldn't find any videos. And right where it says microphone volume, I boosted it all the way up, but because I don't know, that's just how my mic is. I have a Samsung G Track Pro, and I had to boost it all the way up in order for that to work and for people to hear me clearly. So yeah, basically that's it. You don't have to do nothing else. Make sure you have all of this like this as well, or like the way they're supposed to. If you guys have any other questions or it didn't work, make sure you leave a comment. And that's it.